Sige po, magandang hapon po sa iyo, lyrics. Okay, ganda pangalan
Hello,
lyrics.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ikaw po yung napakit sa aking programa. Ano ba yung kailangan mo sa akin?
Is this a speed dating show?
Yes, of course. Huwag ka mag-English,
Yeah.
manusbreed ako eh. Yeah. Magtagalog ka lang.
Find us. Maybe if I find a serious man in here.
You never try a serious man?
What?
You never try a serious man?
Oh, most of the men that I met here on TikTok, they are not serious.
Okay. Yeah.
Just wants to have fun.
Yeah. They like fun. What kind of fun? Yung makakain ba? You know how to speak Tagalog?
A little bit.
Okay.
I'm,
What,
I'm half Filipina, that's why I speak English.
Yeah.
So sorry.
My God. I'm dead. Oh my God. Please understand my English, ha? My English is very poor. Very poor. Okay. Okay, all right.
I can understand Tagalog.
Okay, that's
but I
better.
cannot speak.
That sounds better. Banatan mo, DJ. Mature ka dyan. Tulungan niyo ako dyan, guys. Tulungan niyo ako dyan sa baba. Okay, alright. We'll start. How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
24 years old. Okay. Are you single or single mother?
I'm a single, never been married, no kids.
Okay. Alright. Where are you now?
I'm living actually in the Iloilo City.
Hello, City. Where's your parents?
Oh, my mom is working, and my biological father was an Arab American.
Okay. Did your father support you?
Of course.
Of course, that's good. So, are you done studying?
I'm taking my culinary degree, and by this coming May, I graduated and get my degree.
All right.
And
So,
I'm currently also working. I have a multiple job.
yeah, you're so, you know what, what do you call that one, guys? You're so, yung tawag ng yung masipag, Oh my God. Wait. I have to, get my English here. Okay. I got some English. Okay. All right. Anyway, so do you think that looking for right man here will not disturb your dreams in your life?
No.
Ilonggahan na lang sa panimisa. Okay, so have you ever have a boyfriend?
I do have a ex before, American, and
American.
I also have a Filipino ex.
So what's the difference between American and the Filipino exes? Wait. I wanna hear it. What's the difference? Okay. What about the Filipino guy and the American guy? What's the difference between the two?
The American guy was too much busy,
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
because of the time differences. He cannot keep up all those, the time differences. But the American man was very generous and giver.
So
Even
more
though you're
on,
not asking with anything, they can provide your needs and everything.
and then what about the Filipino guy?
Filipino guy was cool and very nice, but the fun fact is
No money.
cheated.
No money.
It's not about the money. It's
Oh, really?
about
I know.
it's about what's on the inside.
Yeah, I know.
If you have a good heart, that's all that matters to me. But the thing is, he cheated on me.
Oh my
So
God.
yeah.
The beauty that you have, you had been cheated with that Filipino guy? Really? How you know that that guy is cheating you? In what way?
He was cheated on me with his coworker.
Coworker. Cheater. All right. So right now you are here in my program, and then what kind of guy you are looking?
I'm here for looking for a serious relationship, a simple man with a good heart who knows what he wants in life, ready to settle down, and a man who has ambition in life, dream in life, and a kind, caring, and respectful and family-oriented person. That's
All
it.
right. Are you really serious looking for a real relationship or a real man?
Yes, I am really serious about the relationship actually. You know, in my past few years that I have my Filipino ex, I give 100%. Even though I give my 100% to my ex, he
Hmm.
still cheated on me.
Why do you think that kind of relationship cheated on you?
What?
What
Again?
what do you think the reason why that maybe there's some lapses you've done or mistake you've done, that's why those kind of relationship failed. Is there something in yourself that you think that you are that somehow you get mistake in dealing the
No, I
relationship?
don't.
You don't you
No,
don't
I don't.
you don't remember.
No, I don't. Because you know what? Even though how beautiful you are,
Yeah.
how good you are, man will be a man. Cheating is not an option. It's a choice.
Yes, because you have the beauty, you have the brain, you have the work.
Yeah.
Right. All of you, all of the qualities of being a girl is actually is in you. So I don't know why the guy are cheating on you. So that's why I'm asking you. Maybe there's something that you missed to do or you forgot to do during the
But
relationship
yeah,
that makes it happen like
and
that.
and the funny fact that he cheated on me with a fat woman who looks like Fiona from the
Oh
Shrek.
my God, si Fiona. Okay. So all right.
Yeah.
So what probably no age that you are looking for?
I'm currently looking for 25, 35 years old.
Okay, 25 to 35 years old boys who are serious in relationship. Dapat marunong mag-English ha. Lagot
But
kayo ngayon.
even if they speak Tagalog, I can understand it, but I cannot speak it. That's
Okay.
fine.
Do you mind about the physical appearance of a guy?
I'm not basing on what's on the physical appearance and what's on the outside. I'm basing if you have a good heart and you respect me, that's all that matters to me the
What
most of.
what about tambay?
Tambay, I don't think that, because Tambay, they don't have dreams and ambition in life. They're just lazy.
So if you are too lazy, you are tambay, you are not qualified here. Okay. Make it sure that you have a work, you have ambitions in life, you have a goal, a life, or you are a real man. Okay. So if you are interested, we have here a guest. English speaking lang to guys, pero kaya to. May tatawid ko rin to kasi kinukuha ko yung English ko dito sa gilid ko eh. Hinuhugot ko eh. Ako hindi ako qualified kasi meron na ako. Kaya naman, ako tagahanap ako dito, but me I have I have a serious relationship na to deal. And I love my relationship. And no matter what happen, I will never hindi naman tayo magsasabi ng panapos, no? Pero I will do my best kasi mahal ko yung tao eh. So siyempre palakpak yun. Kahit bigyan niyo pa ako dito ng kamukha ni Angelina Jolie, hindi ko yun ipagpapalit. Kasi the most important thing is what I'm building is trust. What I'm building is that dapat pagkatiwalaan ako. I don't like na parang, kumbaga, kasi mayroong mas magandang oportunidad na dumating, mas yung dumating, then I'll go jump immediately to that kind of, no, hindi ako ganun eh. Ang sa akin is, I prepare what I'm building, what I'm making relationship, so I preserve and I want to be yung dignidad at prinsipyo po yung pinangalagaan ko. Hindi po yun bilang isang lalaki po. No matter what, kahit gaano pa siya kaganda, hindi po yun pwede. Talagang hindi. So, there's talaga yung tinatawag nating manhood na development of ourselves. Ganun yun. Hindi porke yung iba nga pag makita na maganda tapos yung girlfriend nila medyo papalitan na ganun. Hindi yung ganun. Palakpak pala. Okay, again ha. Let's go back to the real score that this girl is looking for someone that that could pass the standard, kumbaga. So 30 to 35 years old, right? Am I right? Yeah.
Yeah.
30 to 35 years old, has work and has a dream in life. If you are qualified, then go ahead for here. No playing ha, no playing. Strictly no playing. Yan po kailangan po natin, guys. No playing. No joking also. If you want to introduce yourself, bring yourself here and prove to her that you are the one. You are the one. Kumbaga. Yung mga ganito, hindi talaga magaling mag-English. Pero pag sa trabaho, ang galing ko mag-English. There's a barrier between the virtual talking compared sa face-to-face. Ang galing ko mag-virtual personal. What happened to me? Pag nandito yung principal, lagot ako ba? English teacher pa naman ako. Ako sa'yo, bisita ko English. I'm not the one. Yes, I know, Norman. Don't worry, I know. Guys, come on. 30 to 35 years old. A real deal po yung kailangan po natin dito. A real man who's looking for a real girl also that has, of course, dream in life na. And then, may trabaho naman din siya. Serious guy. Nakatry na siya ng other races. Filipino guy, but nag-cheat pa yung Filipino guy. Nakapakatanga naman yung lalaki na yun. Ano pa hinahanap niya? Nandiyan na, sexy, maganda, magaling, mag-English, may trabaho. So, sometimes it's funny. But anyways, we cannot judge. We cannot judge naman po. Maybe we don't know the real score naman eh. Pero, kanya-kanya lang talaga yan ang papuntahan eh. You wanna embrace, if you wanna embrace your relationship, then be it. If you wanna destroy your relationship, then be it. Ganun lang talaga. Let us be practical. Okay, if you are 30 to 35 years old and you are looking for a serious relationship, come up here and introduce yourself. Make it sure that magaling kayo mag-English. But anyways, makakaintindi naman po siya guys ng Tagalog. Kaya naman, yung mabiro. Natakot naman kayo. Alright mga kaibigan, there we go. By the way, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Color?
What? Color?
Yeah.
My favorite color is black.
Black girl. Right. Obviously. Okay, if you don't mind, may I know your height? What's your height? Right.
My height is 5'6" because I was working as a model.
Model of what?
Freelance model.
Freelance model. Okay. Ito, model talaga to. Bisita ko pala. Bigati na to, guys. Pero, dapat kung mahalin nyo sila, ha, huwag kayong magselos kasi siyempre, pag model, marami din yung mga spectators sa kanya. Pero intindihin mo lang. So that's why you have to become understanding. Kasi yung pagiging understanding niyo po guys, isang babae, lalo pag ganitong trabaho, na-appreciate naman yun ng babae guys. Huwag kayong matakot na magmahal ng isang model ha. If you are 30 to 35 years old guys, come on up here in my program. There's someone here looking for a true man. Okay. Yung real man talaga, hindi yung para laro-laro lang or whatever, because she's really really intent to make a family, di ba? Right? I'm right. Yeah. In English ba? They have talent. They have talent regarding with the
Actually,
modeling.
my talent is I can sing, I play all the instruments, and I also do diving. I like to diving under the water.
Are you already
Actually,
exposed
my
to
other job is I'm a singer in a band.
Can you give me one? Can you give me a sample singing? One sample.
Okay.
A cappella only.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll never be, and I don't wanna go home right now. All I could taste in this moment, all I could breathe is your life. When sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. That's it.
Wow. Wow na wow.
But actually, my genre is rock. My voice is rock.
Yeah, I see. But you have a very good voice.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for supporting me. How long have you been here in TikTok? How long you are in
Actually,
TikTok?
I had my first TikTok account 2 years ago, and I got 56k followers.
Mm-hmm.
But my TikTok got hacked by someone else. I don't know who did it.
Your ex.
I don't know. And
Yeah.
now I'm back on TikTok, and I create and start from down there.
Okay, do you do live streaming here in TikTok?
Before we do live streaming before on TikTok, we do singing on the live stream, and we're earning money on TikTok.
Yeah.
Before.
So, when the time you are active in the TikTok, I know there are a lot of shooters, right? So, nobody qualified?
Most of the person that who is DM me on TikTok before was Indian and Pakistani,
Ah,
and I do not entertain none of them, or
alright.
even apply to single.
Okay. So, parang basti sana yun eh. Pwede sana yun. Sorte ni parang basti no kung dito si Basti. Rolas Basti, may July na yun eh. Sino kaya yun? Sino kaya we're looking for? We're just try to feel comfortable in my life, and then just try to scroll down here if there's someone, huh? I'm gonna make it sure that the right guy is here, huh?
I'll be back again.
Yeah. So come on guys, tap the screen and share the guys, let's help Miss Lyrics also. You can help us guys by sharing and tapping the screen guys. Para maparating po nito natin yung niyang hinahanap po ni Miss Lyrics. Yan. To all the viewers guys, don't forget also to embrace Lyrics in her social media account. Do you have any other social account that you want to promote? Wala, nag-loading siya.
I only have TikTok currently now. That's it.
TikTok.
I don't use social
TikTok.
media that much because I was
Alright.
quit for the social media. I'm focusing on my career and study.
Alright. Come on guys, 30 to 35 years. Nasaan ba yung mga lalaki? Come on guys, 30 to 35 years old. Someone here is looking for a real man. She's really single. And she do freelance modeling. Actually, she's very talented. In her past relationship, she was disappointed with American guy and a Filipino guy. That's why right now she's open to a new beginning of her love life. If you are qualified, if you are interested also to showcase who you are, be real, so that Miss Lyrics could really appreciate you and might be turn out into a lover. Oh. Galing ko na ma-English, no? Story. Takot talaga sila. I know, I really experience here, a lot of experience here that if there's someone na seryoso talagang babae naghanap, natatakot yung mga boys. Bakit kaya? Nahiya ng mga boys. O siyempre naman nakakahiya talaga pag there's something mangloloko ka lang. Totoo yun. Pag if you are planning na, ko lang to, gagamitin ko lang tong babae ito, sige, liligawan ko tong babae ito, susuyuin ko lang to para gagamitin ko lang, and then your future, iiwan ko. Dapat matakot ka.
please accept my hand?
Right? So, there's someone. Guys, 30 to 35 years old po. We're looking for a right man here. Right man, ha? Dili left hand, ha? Right man. You can come up here and let's talk, no? Might be, make it sure. Ay, pwede ba kayo magtagalog? Walang problema. Pwede lagi magtagalog. Nakakaintindi siya. Ako nga nanunusbleed din eh. 30 to 35 years old. We have here a model. If you are interested, guys, this is it. Pansit. What about this one? This is a simple guy. Let's try for the simple guy. Because as long as you have a job, not a tambay. Kasi love is more than anything else. No money can barter on it. Alright guys, request lang po. It's already 4:47 in the afternoon. Sige lang, go ahead lang po talaga tayo dito. May sunglass naman ako eh. May pandipinsa naman ako sa radiation. Sino kaya yung pagkatin po natin dito? Nakakatakot kasi itong may mga logo eh. Ano tayo na iba? Ito may mga logo, lalaking may mga logo, nakakatakot eh kasi hindi naman sa pero they have their dapat their obligations is within their ba sila ng obligations pa sa ibang tao, di ba? Ano naman sa okay lang naman yung mga ganyan. Pero walang loyal na talaga, DJ. Meron yan later on. Gusto ko yung independent at dependent lang talaga ba? Dependent lang talaga. Independent boys dyan. Sino ba dyan? Mag-stand alone talaga ba? Yun ang mga gusto ko. Di ba, right? So, yeah. You like guy that will stand alone, no? Not a dependent one, right? Yeah. Points yun guys I'd like to explain. That's points If you are stand alone, a certain guy you're stand alone. Lakas kasi makapogi pag stand alone ka Yeah, right, no? Totoo, no? Pag yung lalaki na hindi naman kagwapuhan pero confident sa sarili, walang dinidependehan, may sariling vision sa buhay, may seryosong pangarap, kahit hindi gano'n kapogi, talagang maging pogi talaga, mag-stand alone talaga. Challenge yung mga boys dito ba? Totoo yun. Try to make yourself na mag-stand alone kaya. Amlet, thank you so much for tap na. Guys, please share the live, guys. It's okay lang for me to stay longer here. Let's find the right guy for lyrics. What's your religion lyrics, if you don't mind? Are you?
So my mother's religion is Catholic, and my father's religion is Muslim. So I was baptized by Catholic. Yeah.
All right.
But even though I am Catholic, I still respect my father's religion, and I do not eat pork. It's forgiven.
Okay. That's good. Guys, 30 to 35 years old po. We're looking for a real guy. Not playing guy, ha? Please, not playing guy. Parang awa nyo na. We're not playing guy, ha? 30 to 35 years old. So, hello DJ. El Prince, delikado ako sa'yo. Pagka naghilo ka sa akin, this is, ganda nga nito, pero ang hirap kasi pag nako. Pero I have here a friend lyrics named El Prince. I don't know if kung sa manok pa, mukhang hindi ako kumpiyansa sa'yo Kasi ito na yun seryoso ako. Kailan ka naging seryoso? Palagi ka seryoso. Lagi kang seryoso Kailan ka di seryoso? Ay, talaga, El Prince, Ayaw ko masira yung reputasyon ko sa'yo. Talaga kita. Baka may,
If he wants to talk to me, he can come up to the live.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Totoo nga, DJ. Talaga, El Prince, mahilig ka talaga sa maganda. Malay mo, DJ, siya na yung magseryoso. Dapat lang magseryoso siya. Saan pa siya makahanap? Matiurok na lang. Hindi, yapag kahanap. Napakaswerte na kaya niya if ever magustuhan siya nito at mapamahal siya. Ako, kaswerte nga. Malay mo, di ba? Sige, request. Makaya mo ba ito paibigin ka at umibig? Si Lyrics sa'yo, El Prince. Umakit ka dito, mag-request ka. At marunong ka mag-English, Dapat single ka. Umakit ka dito, let's talk. Huwag ka dyan sa comment section. If you're a man, be it up here, up.
No, my love for you is true. Thank you to our mom and dad.
Sige, mais ka, El Prince. Pag mapaibig ka, pag ikaw umibig nito, iiyak ka talaga pag hindi ka magkasiayos. It's me, Pele. DJ, are you a single guy? No, I'm not single. Takot talaga mga boys, DJ. Oh, of course, matatakot ka kapag hindi maganda yung intention mo. Kakahiya naman Wala Saan ba yung El Prince? Ito talaga. Sige Ito po, there's a guy here. Yeah. Ito po. At last.
Hello.
Alright. Hello. Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Mag-warm up ka muna ng in-English mo dyan. Mag-warm up ka, ha?
Oh,
Bring dictionary.
Can you open your camera so
Yeah.
that I can
No. Later lyrics. After the discussion. Ha? We have your discussion. Later open camera, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Let's have a discussion. You can throw questions. Okay? Throw questions on him so that you will know. Okay, you interview.
What type of woman that you like?
Just like you, ma'am. Simple.
Okay.
Simple girl and faithful.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Go.
What is your love language?
Quality time.
Galing
Very good. And if you would giving a chance to date your woman, where would it be?
Will be I think we can go outside, or we can go to house if you want. Be formal, personal. Like what I said is Puya po English ni DJ, nakalimot naman ko.
So, ganun kadali, mag-give up ka na.
Hindi, no.
Fight. Go, fight.
House.
You can answer it on Tagalog. I can understand.
Tagalog. You know how to speak in Tagalog.
Nag-English ka na naman. Sabi mo mag-Tagalog.
Little.
Baliktad. Sige, go ahead, El Prince.
Sige. Gusto ko mas maganda kasi pag unang date, simple lang sa yung mataong lugar, at saka kakain sa labas, yung kahit lang tapos magsisimba ganun.
Kinuha mo sa comment section yung simbahan ba? Dayan, huwag ka mag-coaching dyan. Kinukoach ka
Hindi ko talaga nabasa, sir.
Alam ko naman. Si Dayan lang Dayan, huwag mong turuan.
Siyempre kasi mas maganda yun, sir. Habang tapos kumain, magsimba, di ba? Para makita niya na good intention tayo.
Okay. Mahaba pa yung question na piniprepare. Ang haba ng tali ni ma'am. Patay ka dyan. Okay, next. Basahin.
Do you have any question to me that I can answer it?
You don't want lyrics. You don't want to ask about his status in life. You can
Let
ask.
him.
Let
Let
him.
her ask me a question
Okay.
first. Ask me any question.
Oh, El
How old are
Prince.
you? Okay. How young are you?
I am 24. How about you?
Me, I'm 31 years old.
Okay.
Where are you
So,
from?
what's your... I live in the Iloilo city. I'm
Oh,
half
Iloilo.
Filipina, half Arab American. That's
Oh,
my descent. Yeah. And
so do you know how
what
to
is your
speak?
status?
Do you
What
know
is
how
your
to speak
status in
Filipino?
life?
My status,
What
I'm
is your...
single.
And what is your job?
Sales manager.
Okay, that's good.
Do you have ID,
Do you
El
have,
Prince? El Prince, later on ha, I will ask your ID ha about sales manager ha. You prepare it.
I'm gonna ask you a serious question. Are you here dating for long term or just a short term?
for long term?
Okay.
I'm not keen to jokes about relationship because I'm old.
And and how can I reassure that you're a good man?
Pagbibigyan mo ako ng chance, makilala mo ako. 'Di ba? Ikaw na mismo makakasabi kung masama akong tao o mabuti.
Okay, very good. Do you have any more questions to me that I can ask related about the dating? Ask me.
How long been you are single?
I've been single for 2 years now.
Oh, 2 years. What did you do for living?
What I do for a living is I'm working in a hotel as a chef, and I'm working also in singing. I'm a musician. I'm a singer in a band in a DJ, and I'm also doing my modeling career. And currently now I've been studying as a culinary by degree, and this coming May I graduated, and then after I graduated my culinary, I'm planning to take a IT course for 2 years.
Okay.
Okay, nice.
Any questions, El Prince?
Wala na, sir.
Wala na.
To
What about your lyrics? Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay? You don't have any more questions to El Prince?
I have a last
Yeah, yeah.
question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
That we both of us are in faraway city, no? Can you come visit me in
Yeah.
my city?
Siya na all.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Why not?
And I have a question. If you
Yes.
come visit me in my city, who will gonna pay for all those expenses?
Yes, absolutely me.
Very good. Okay,
Okay?
that's it.
Is that all?
I don't have any questions.
Okay. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to present to you El Friends in the house. El Friends, can you show now? Come on. Is this the guy? Is this the guy? Lyrics, no? Looking for? Is it in or out? Parang El Friends, paldo ka dito ba? Magpaayos ka talaga. Talagang pag mabalitaan ko talagang babalikan ko si Lyrics eh. Tatanungin ko talaga kung anong mga ginagawa mo ha. Wala ka nang hahanapin pang iba. Tagal-tagal mo na dito sa live ko. Di ka pa rin nagjowa. Ngayon, talagang swerte mo ngayon. Napadaan ka dito ngayong hapon. Papaluin ka talaga kita sa ulo pag ganun. Pagsikapan mo to. Magsiayos ka. Ganda ng relo mo ha. Magkano yan? Ganda ng polo ba? Manager na manager. O sana yung ID mo? Yung sinabi ko. Pakita mo nga. Sales manager
Wala
ID
pa.
eh.
Ay, sir, nasa ano ko, nasa Batangas kami ngayon. Ito, sa golf. Oh, wala
Pakita mo yung-
akong dala.
Pakita mo
Wait
yung
lang,
golf mo. Pakita yung golf. Diskumpiyado ako dito ba? Gusto ko ano talaga to eh. Legit, maging legit ba? Ay kong mas-scam si Lyrics eh. Ay kong mas-scam.
Oo.
Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay na yan. Balik ka na dito.
Okay.
Balik
Like
ka
na
na.
ako.
Okay. Pasado ka na. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now lyrics, you say already El Friends. What can you say about El Friends? What have you observed?
Based on how he talked to me, I think he's a good man, and I'm looking forward to get to know him better.
Yeah.
And we won't make it things rush, because if we make things rush, it will not work out between us. So we take it easy and slowly by slowly getting to know each other.
Yeah.
And let's see how it goes.
All right. So good luck, El Friends. You're given a big shot this afternoon. I hope that you will take
but
her.
before anything else, you should follow me and DM me.
I will follow you. Done.
Alright.
Sure.
Okay.
Just send me a message.
Yes,
Wow.
okay.
Talaga. Good luck, ha.
Thank you to our mom and
Okay.
I'll inform you if both of us work out together.
Okay,
I'll
and then
inform
you will tell me who's telling lie, ha? Okay? Lyrics, ha?
Yeah.
Tell me if he is lying or not, ha? Okay.
Yeah.
I will wait for that. And then if not, we're gonna find the right guy for you, not him. If she's doing not good to you, ha? Tell me. If there's something red flag on him, just tell me, okay? Just back here, okay? El Prince, lagot ka dito. Lagot ka. Mapapasubo. Talaga, DJ, binigyan mo nga ako eh. Nakakasubo naman mo. Pasubo talaga. Pero pangatawanan mo, why not? Diba? Single ka naman talaga, diba? Wala ka namang atraso, agrebyado, diba? Saan ka pa nito? Ikaw na. Oo. Single na single to eh. Go ahead, girlfriends. Good luck. God bless. Bye-bye. Hindi mo na tatanungin kung in or out. The girl has already said that she wants to, guys, she wants to know well that guy. Alright? Lyrics, do you have something to tell? Nothing?
What?
Do you have something to tell more? Or nothing?
No, that's it.
Nothing. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Miss Lyrics. Balik ka lang dito ha, if you have time ha.
Sure.
If
Thank
ever
you so
lang.
much.
If ever.
Yeah,
God bless.
Bye-bye.
Okay. That's a Filipino guy. Hope that you could have a better communications. Anyway, I'm not concluding, but it has always been a part na you have to do your best as a guy, El Prince.
I'm gonna
Lalaki ka, magpakalalaki ka dyan ha.